That is so easy. I like your tip. Oh my God. I'm gonna post that.
Cool. Tell me your name, where you're from, and where you're planning to study. How about that?
I am Valeria. I'm from Colombia. And I think the score that requests my college is not higher, but I think it's 130, I think.
Which part of Canada are you going to?
To Calgary?
Oh my God, from Colombia to Calgary?
Yeah.
You know, do you have a winter coat?
Yeah, it's so cold. In Colombia doesn't have seasons.
If you pass the test and you get the score you need, when are you supposed to leave by?
Maybe on September.
Okay. So here's the big question for you. If this doesn't work out and you're not able to get the score, what's plan B?
I decide to finish my work, to leave my country and try to move to Canada.
So you're leaving your job. You left your job to do this.
Yeah.
That's a big thing.
Because I think in Colombia, the opportunity, it was very good, but in economic, it's not.
And then after you get your degree, something can change better for you?
I think yes.
Okay, so I'm going to show you something called CEFR. So all vocabulary falls into these categories. Probably the production, speaking and writing part was the hardest, right?
Maybe the speaking.
So what happens when we speak and when we write, we're producing language, right? And then the test collects all those vocabulary words, and then it puts them into this little staircase, ABC. So imagine that all of our words are here, or all of our words are here. It doesn't really matter, even if you have good structure, if all of your language is here, we can't get that score that we need. So here is a sentence. The book is on the table, and every word in this sentence, it's a perfect sentence, but everything's A1. So when we change it a little bit, we say the book is upon the table. Now we suddenly have a B2 word. Let me move this out of the way, right? So we have a B2, we have A, B. So this is better than A1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? If I say the man is walking down the street, right? This is same. Speaking and writing is production. We're producing language. The man is walking down the street. We have A, and we have one A2. It's not going to give us the score that we need because we're always going to be in this A category. Instead of saying man, we say the adult male, for example. The adult male. See, now we're jumping up to B1.
Yeah.
And just by switching our language around, it scores higher on the CEFR scale. Most people can jump 5 to 10 points just by trying to bring their vocabulary up into the high B's and the C's. Next to a lake. Can you think of a better word than next to? I'll give you one. Alongside. Look at this.
Oh my God, I see one.
Right? So the adult male is walking alongside the lake. So we went from next to, which was A, to alongside, which is C. And anytime I like that kind of...
If I would like to learn about that, how to change the words to B1 to C1, there are some page in the website to find it.
I'll show you. It's really easy. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So I want to make sure that you have this. I'll give this link to you as well, and you'll get it from the recording, but it's called Vocab Kitchen. It's a profiler. It's a language and a vocabulary profiler. Look at this. Upward. Look at the difference between the boy looked up to the sky. The boy looked upward towards the sky. Even just changing a simple word, we're changing everything about how we speak and how it's ranked. Clothes. She is wearing colorful clothes. She is wearing colorful clothing.
Me too.
I want to write in good sentences, but I also want to find the vocabulary that's going to work for something like this. The young girl is jumping alongside the green trees in the park. She appears elated and peaceful, something like that. Okay. And so when I submit it through AI, it gives me the score. The overall score is this. We got a low score on task relevance. Our accuracy was good. We spoke in good grammar, and we had some diverse words. And it also gives a sample answer. You know, this image depicts a young girl in a pink dress.
Oh, wow.
With her arms outstretched. She appears to be leaping. Now, this is a lot to write in 1 minute, but it gives us an idea, you know, where it can be. Let me see if this actually I don't know how. So you can see that when,
Oh my gosh.
right, you can see that it's going to score higher on all these parameters because these are, more fitted to better complexity, sophistication, accuracy, task relevance, right? We talked about this, right? And this is really, really key. Trying to get those vocabulary words ranked higher. Now, where do we do it? Okay, so any Google Doc, give me a simple sentence about Bogota.
Colombia.
Make a sentence.
Colombia. Yeah, but it's not Colombia, it's Colombia.
No, that's what I said. I said Colombia.
Bogota is the most beautiful city in Colombia. No, the most city in the country.
Really? Why are you leaving?
Yeah.
Most. You got a green one. If you go into Google Docs, I always use the word beautiful. I don't know what other words. So just click on the word and then right click and then choose define beautiful. Now under that, it's going to give you so many wonderful words. Okay. So here we have the definition of beautiful, pleasing to the senses. And then in the blue, we have all the synonym, lovely, charming, delightful. I think that one's better. Let's try delightful. Me too.
No, me too.
And that's good. So you're jumping up 1, 2, 3 levels just by putting the word delightful in.
That is so easy. I like your tip. Oh my God. I'm going to post that.
Cool. Exquisite. Look at this word, exquisite, right? Everybody says the woman was beautiful, but how about the word exquisite? What do you think that's ranked? I don't know.
I think it's maybe C1.
Yes. C2.
You got it. Love it. Love it. With your teeth. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. Go ahead and leave a comment for anything that you need clarity on, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, join the community, and help raise your score like many others have done. So this video right here is a compilation video for all the speaking questions on the Duolingo English test. Go ahead and check it out.